Ciao! I'm going to be taking you through a typical Sunday in Florence. First, we started at the Piazza Santo Spirito, where we walked through this agricultural market. They had so many amazing crafts and food products to check out, and the space was just beautiful. Then we walked back over the Arno into the historical center of Florence. It's always fun to window shop along the Ponte Vecchio. We had to take a pit stop for gelato, too. Next is the Piazza Della Signoria, which has so many cool buildings and the old palace. Next, we went inside the Palazzo Vecchio to go on the secret passageways tour. Here's our guide showing us the hidden cabinets. There's lots of art on the ceiling, which has to be held up by this wooden mechanism. Here you can see the wooden mechanism, which today is mostly used to access the paintings for restoration. Here's some of my friends on the top floor as we look out onto beautiful Florence. There's so much amazing and wonderful art everywhere in Florence. Here you can see the fleur-de-lis, which is one of Florence's many symbols. Next, we walked through this vintage market we stumbled on. There's so many cute trinkets and jewelry. And lots of old photos and books, too. That's our Sunday. Thanks for joining.